First of all, I go to Bing AI application, and from the image curator section, I search for an adult girl with a beautiful long dress in a Halloween background. We add the photo on which we want to do Photoshop to the image.
Why'd you run and hide? You can come inside. You're screaming.
Using the adjust option, we match the skin color of the subject with the body of the previous subject. Well, for this one, I just asked Bing AI to make a Halloween background for me. I add Taylor Swift's photo, which I made with Picsart's artificial intelligence. I remove the background by using the eraser option and match the special color with the background again from the adjust section.
You're screaming my name, we're lost in the haze. Baby, tell me, are you entertained? You're saying my name, calling me insane. I'm running like a bullet to the brain, 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 brain. Welcome to the carnival, the freaks come out to play. Shut your eyes, hear no cries, and we got games to play.
From the cooler part, we will clone the part of her hair that was deleted by mistake. Go to the curves section and set it as shown in the picture.
Our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around, round, round. Yeah. Let's take a second and make sure we're on the right track before we say something that we both know we can't take back. Now. Staying up till late, but we're still where we started. Same things, the same things. Yeah, had enough for today. We're just making it harder. Same things, the same things. We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. Too many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way. So if you just keep me close, lead the way, take it slow, then maybe I'll get us both what we want. We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk about it. Yeah, we're at the point where we're supposed to say we're sorry, but it feels like we're only talking to ourselves right now. Yeah. Staying up till late, but we're still where we started. Same things, the same things. Yeah. Had enough for today, we're just making it harder. Same things, the same things. We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. Too many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way. So if you just keep me close, lead the way, take it slow, then maybe I'll get us both what we want. We don't need to talk about it. We don't need to talk about it. slow